You have been creating your Fiverr gig images wrongly. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create your Fiverr gig image. And it's pretty simple, and all you have to do is to use a free software like Canva or any other one. But for this video, I'm going to be using Canva to create this gig image. So if that's what you're interested in, please like the video, subscribe, and let's get straight into the video. So for an example, I'm going to be creating another gig image for this my gig. I will create 300 fascinating facts for YouTube shorts. So I'm going to be creating another gig for this. I already have one gig here, one gig image here, but I want to create another. And as you can see, I'm on my Canva software. So all I simply have to do is go to YouTube thumbnails, because the dimension works about the same with Fiverr's specifications. So you can just use a YouTube thumbnail design to create a gig image for Fiverr. So when you are here, all you have to look at this template here, and I'm going to be selecting this template because I've recently used this one. So let me use this template. So like you can see the title is create 300 fascinating facts for YouTube shorts. So I'll just do is copy this and go there. So I want to put this, so I'll do something like 300 facts. This is to like grab the attention of anyone that comes across this my image. So I want the first thing they should see is this, right? Then maybe I'll just okay, let me leave this like this. So let me just put fascinating facts for YouTube shorts. So you don't want it to be too wordy. So I can just do something like this. And drag this above a bit. And you can say I like this image because the image is kind of like an expression of someone that is surprised. So I'm going to leave that one there. So I'll just leave it like this: 200 facts, fascinating facts. You don't want the text to be too wordy, right? Then I want to put some logos. I want to put TikTok logo. I want to put YouTube short logo, and maybe Instagram reels, and maybe Facebook logo. So there's this brand fetch logo. I think it's a new update size that you can actually search for any logo. Before, what we normally do, I have to go and search for the logo's PNG and download it and send it here. But this makes it really easy. So let me just search for, first of all, YouTube shorts. See if they have shorts. Okay, maybe I can put this. I can put this. Then I'll search for TikTok. Put this. I mean, I should be able to find like YouTube Shorts logo. Put this here. Then Instagram. Let me just add Facebook, because they are reels, so they can work for Facebook, Instagram. So, but let me search for YouTube Shorts. I'll prefer that instead of the YouTube logo. Okay, I can't find that. So that's just it. I just arrange this and make it look neat. So like this, I have a gig image. So this is simple. This kind of like shows what I have in my title. You want something in the title there, 300 facts or 300 facts, fascinating facts. Then the platforms where this can work there. So if someone sees this image, they know that you are creating 300 facts for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever, what have you. So this is just a simple way to do it. You can once you are done with design, you find everything okay. Maybe if you want to tweak around in a bit, you can do that. Once you see everything is okay, all you have to do is click on share, go to download, then just download the image. And once it's done downloading, go to the gig, then drag it and drop it, and you have another image to use. So just in case the first image is not exactly catchy, this other one works out well, and just save it and it's published. So that's just it. So if you enjoyed this video, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, because I'm going to be putting out more content like this on how you can progress with your Fiverr journey and your freelancing journey. So that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.